innovative language with Novi. Learn basic English in 3 minutes. Lesson number 3. Asking about hobbies. Hey everyone, Sam is here. In this series, we're going to learn some easy ways. It's really useful and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're gonna learn how to ask what someone's hobbies are without using the word hobbies. You've probably seen the question, "Do you have any hobbies?" or "What are your hobbies?" in an English textbook before. However, native English speakers almost never use the word hobbies when asking about them. A much more natural way to ask the same question is, "What do you do for fun?" Let's practice this question. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? You can also ask, what do you do in your free time? So, how would you answer this question? Let's look at how native speakers would do it. I like to, or I like, followed by what you like to do. For example, if you like watching movies, you could say, I like to watch movies, or I like watching movies. And if you like golf, you could say, I like to play golf, or I like playing golf. You can emphasize how much you like your hobby by adding a word like, really, in front of like. For example, I really like watching movies. On the other hand, if you want to play down how much you like something, you can say kind of. For example, I kind of like playing tennis. Now it's time for Sam's advice. If you don't have any special hobbies or don't want to be specific, a good way to reply is, I like hanging out with my friends and stuff like that. Just use I like and add hanging out with my friends, and then add and stuff like that. How do you answer this question? Where are you from? It doesn't even have a verb. We'll cover this and more in the next English in 3 minutes lesson number 4. See you next time.